Hi everyone, welcome back to Ducks World, and we are going to be doing an opening on a little nature baby. So baby girl, why don't you take this away and show us what we got today.
Okay, a little nature baby, and this is Lynn the panda. Let's open it up.
All right, Duck, what do we got?
We have this cute thing. Has this little hammock. Hold on. Hold on. Let me fix it. There we go. So it came with this cute little hammock. It's a bamboo hammock, and then there's some bamboo behind it, which I really like. And then, of course, there's this little cute pet. You can pet him, and he makes noise. And his name is Lynn the panda. He is a little nature baby. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click the subscribe button down below. Bye.